Hello everyone, welcome to Claire's Craft and Jewellery. Today I'm going to make some druzy jewellery, and these are really easy to make. These are the druzes, and these are made of resin. They got the most amazing colours that really capture the light. Now these are 12mm, and with that I'm using a 12mm stainless steel ring. I'm going to make some, again, 12mm stainless steel earring studs. And I've also got some French lever earrings, also stainless steel. And obviously 2 butterfly backs for the studs. Now I'm just using some super glue, something most of us have around at home. I've just got this for protection. This is just, before I do the jewellery, I will give it a quick polish, because sometimes you will get like a residue from the stainless steel. Not all the time. And then I just polish the back. Just something that I like to do. Don't forget the actual stud that goes in the ear. Now I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. All the supplies I'm using here today are available on my website. And I do have, at the moment, I do have lots of different druzy colours. I'm going to only stock certain colours, so I am going to combine them. So you'll get a mixed bag. Just check the website out if you want to have a go. I think we'll do the ring first. Just double check that fits in. If I was to push, that would click in. But we do need some glue. Let's take the lid off. I'm not sure how quickly this will pour. Let's have a look. So we pop the druzy on top and then it clicks in. I'm just checking that nothing is spilled over the side. No. See how simple that is. So we'll do some, it's quite runny, this glue, so you don't need to squeeze it. I'm just checking there's no glue. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I've got lots of jewellery tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. And the good thing about these is stainless steel. It's 304 stainless steel, so anti-tarnish and hypoallergenic. More hypoallergenic than the silver plated. I do all this in silver plated as well, gold, rose gold. But for me, these are a collection I'm going to make, and I want to use the stainless steel. So these are the French lever. They open, they almost like a clip-on, but obviously they're not. They go through your earlobe. Look at the colours. These are very popular in Canada. I do sell to USA, Canada, unfortunately not to Europe. There's so, hear that click into place, there's so many rules and regulations. You have to have an EU representative. Unfortunately, it's not worth my while. And then you've got the German packaging laws. And so there's the jewellery. So I'm going to let that dry and I'll take some proper photos. Aren't they lovely? So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.